Hey everybody, James here. With a quick announcement, we have locked Andamio V1 and we're getting ready to launch Andamio V2 this week on Thursday, the 12th of February. Everybody who's currently a student in Andamio V1 must make sure to close out assignment commitments and claim credentials by the end of the day on Tuesday. Here's what this means. I'm connected to Andamio, and if I browse courses, I can see that I'm still currently enrolled in these two. If I click into a course where I'm enrolled, I have the option of finishing assignments or just claiming partial credentials. I recommend making sure to at least claim the credentials you've earned. So I'll click on Complete Course here. I'll earn my deposit back to my wallet, and I can sign this transaction. By doing so, I will ensure that all of the V1 credentials I've earned will be migrated over to Andamio V2. If you have questions, be sure to be in touch. And thanks.